Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to create a game which involves navigating a character around a maze until it gets to the middle. First of all, let's import the maze background onto the stage. And let's just delete that blank background. The first thing we can see is that our character, the cat, and let's call this the Explorer, is too big. So we'll move it up to the top and shrink it, because it's really important that it doesn't touch the edges. There we go. And we'll bring in another sprite that the Explorer can rescue. Choose any one you want. I'm going to go for, I reckon, that cat. I will call this Friend. Now let's add some code which lets the player navigate the Explorer around the maze. Now this code has to go into the Explorer sprite, so select the Explorer sprite. Now looking at my program plan or algorithm, I can see that I need a when the flag is clicked block and then repeat something forever, for as long as the game is running. And I want to say if a certain key is pressed, let's say the right arrow, I need to point in direction right, which is 90 degrees on an imaginary graph on the stage. I'll then move 5 steps. I can duplicate this and say when the left arrow is pressed, point left and move 5 steps, and duplicate both of these for up arrow and down arrow. So this will allow me to navigate my Explorer around the maze. Let's try it. Okay, I think I only want to move left and right. Now this seems to work, except that when it touches the edge of the maze it keeps going, rather than going back to the starting position. So let's drag our cat back to the starting position, and we'll have one last if touching colour, and I need to sample the blue of the maze, so I click in here, I get the little eyedropper tool and suck up a bit of that colour to sample it. So if touching colour blue, go to the starting position. Click the green flag again, and there we are. Always jumps back to the beginning. Which can be very annoying. We could even add a next costume block in each part, so it gives the impression of the cat walking. Okay, well that's our Explorer programmed. What we need to do now is program what happens when the Explorer reaches its friend. So this takes place in the friend sprite. Once again, when the flag is clicked, we're going to show this sprite in case it was previously hidden. We'll repeat forever if touching the Explorer, we'll say thank you for 2 seconds. We'll then hide the sprite and we'll end the program by stopping all scripts. It's just like pressing the red stop button at the top right hand side of the screen. Now I'm going to cheat here because I'm not very good at this game. And there we are. A completed game. There are lots more things we could do with this game, so feel free to experiment.